Some breaking news coming in. Robert Vadra has been granted interim relief by a Delhi court after he sought anticipatory bail in the case of money laundering. His interim protection lasts until February 16th. We have Minakshi now joining us with more details. Minakshi, interim relief for Vadra?
Well, that's right, Amit. It was late last evening that Robert Vadra, who's also the brother-in-law of Congress President Rahul Gandhi, had moved the local court seeking interim protection from arrest. That interim protection from arrest has come by his way by a special Delhi court in an alleged money laundering case lodged by the ED pertaining to ownership of undisclosed assets abroad, as the ED has called it. And KTS Tulsi, senior counsel for Robert Vadra, has also informed the local Delhi court that Mr. Vadra will be appearing before ED on the 6th of February. So clearly this is a reprieve coming in because there was great urgency that was displayed yesterday, last evening, late evening, as a matter of fact, by Robert Vadra and his counsel, where they sought an immediate hearing, which was granted, and the news of a reprieve or interim protection from arrest till at least the 16th of February has just come by.
So, Minakshi, the next hearing is going to be extremely crucial because the interim protection lasts only till February 16th.
Well, Amita, we have heard from Robert Vadra in the past by way of several statements where he has constantly maintained as to how he has been cooperating with investigators as and when asked to do so. And despite that, there is this purported high-handedness that he alleges, which the agencies and the investigators have indulged in. This is, of course, pertaining to also news reports of Robert Vadra's mother really being called in for questioning by the ED. Now, in this backdrop, yes, indeed, we do expect a lot of pressure to be mounted on Robert Vadra by the agencies, but it has to be eventually vetted and approved by a court of law. Everything that happens has to be done by procedure. And of course, Robert Vadra in his defense has constantly maintained, Amita, as to how there is absolutely no material evidence against him. But of course, that is a subject matter of further scrutiny. But indeed, on the 16th of February, there will be another plea which will be seeking for an extension of this interim protection from arrest. Whether that will find any favor with the courts or not, we will keep a close eye on.
All right, we'll leave it there. Minakshi, many thanks for joining us.